What is Sniply? Sniply is a simple tool that shortens links and allows you to overlay your own custom message onto any piece of content, creating an opportunity for you to include a call to action with every link you share. Sniply's URL shortener is packed with features that allow you to customize your shortened URL and design the perfect call to action, plus the ability to track, test, and engage with your followers when you share content. Whether you're working with a character limit or just want to keep things looking nice, shortened URLs can improve the content you share. Sniply's URL shortener produces unique shortened links for you to share. This allows you to add a call to action to each web page, blog post, or article you share, adding the ability to redirect traffic back to your site. With Sniply's URL management tools at your fingertips, you have the insight to optimize your link marketing campaigns better. The dashboard monitors how your readers interact with all the custom shortener URLs you share. You to track all your link analytics metrics such as conversion rates, link clicks, and more. Don't just make short URLs and forget them. Track how they perform. Analytics tracks a number of crucial link metrics including link clicks and time spent on page, as well as interactions with your custom call to action, enabling better content curation decisions based on what really keeps your audience engaged. When a user clicks your CTA, they turn into a conversion, especially if they opt in with their email. To ensure that they actually reach a goal, conversions track all the way to a purchase, meaning you can make the most accurate conversion optimization decisions possible. So grab this unique offer today using the link below.